What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. Today's January 7th. I'm not going to spend too much time on the charts today. We're just going to take a quick look at Bitcoin. Everybody keeps on saying, why did it go down? Why did it go down? Is it because of the internet being shut off in Kazakhstan and 15% of the miners being shut down? Like, why? All right? Let me ask you a question. What does it matter why? Does it really matter why? It doesn't, because if you've been looking at the charts, you shouldn't have probably been in Bitcoin anyway, right? Bitcoin's been dropping since November. So there is, as long as my system goes, there's only been one trade to have since November. I trade on daily chart. Now, if you trade on the 15-minute or the 1 hour, yeah, there's probably been a lot of trades to be had, but those are a lot smaller trades. But if you're trading on daily, there really hasn't been much to be had, right? If anything, the trade was to the downside. The trade was to be short since November, right? The middle of November. So let's just take a quick look at the chart. Share my screen. All right. So I was looking at this last night, and I looked at this, right? The two tops, right? Possible double top. Now, why do I think this could be a double top, which is not a good thing? Because not only do we have a higher high here, but we have a lower high on the Fisher, right? So we got bearish divergence on the Fisher on the weekly chart. Now, we still are above the cloud. We possibly could bounce off of here. If we break into the cloud, I think there's a very good possibility we'll come down to 37,000. If we break, if we break 31,000, guys, it is all over, right? This is our last stance right here. If Bitcoin breaks 31,000 at any one time over the next few weeks, there is no support here. Like, we have a little bit of support down at 20,000, but other than that, next support is down at $12,000. And no, that's not what you guys want to hear. I don't even want to say it. I don't even want to think about it. But the safest thing right now would have been to be out of this. And I know everybody keeps on telling you buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, right? That's all you hear from a lot of these YouTubers. But you never really hear that from me, right? If I tell you to buy the dip, there's a reason why I'm telling you to buy a dip. I'm not just telling you to buy it because we dropped, you know, $5,000 or $6,000, which is what a lot of these YouTubers do, right? Here they would have told you, oh, 60,000, buy the dip, right? Then down here, oh, 54,000, buy the dip. Then down here, 49,000, buy the dip, right? You already bought the dip 3 times and you kept on going down and down and down and down, right? Now we're down at 42,000. Buy the dip, guys. Buy the dip. I'm telling you, buy the dip. Don't buy the dip. All right. You guys know, since here, I've never given a buy signal except once, and right. So here, we went back above the Tankinson, but I wasn't getting confirmation on my other indicators that anything's changing, so I didn't get in. Here, above the Tankinson again, no confirmation here. Again, above the Tankinson here, no confirmation down here. Again, above the Tankinson here, we finally got confirmation. This was a buy signal, right? Where did I say we should take profits? 50,800. Why? Because when price moves down, right? When price moves down, what's it do? Comes down and then back up. Come on, give me a smaller damn thing than that. Right? So when price moves down, back up to the mean, down, back up to the mean, down, back up to the mean, down, and only when we break the previous is when we possibly might be back in a full uptrend. Otherwise, we could just be ranging, right? So here I told you, get in, take 50% profits here. Once you hit your first take profit, move your rest to break even. So had you done that, you would have stopped out on the last 50% of your trade at break even. You would have saved yourself another $7,000 of downside. So right now it doesn't matter what's making the price drop. The price is what it is, guys, right? And it's been in a downtrend since. It doesn't need a reason. That's enough reason for it to be going down. It's in a downtrend, right? And only when we break the Kijinsen and we're getting confirmation on other indicators will we consider going long again for possible reversion. But think about this. Do you want to keep on buying these dips and then it keep on going down? Or would you rather just hold all your money until you get a better confirmation that we may be going back up, right? Because then you have 100% of your money to buy in at 35,000 as opposed to buying at 50 and 45, and you know what I'm saying? So that is where I stand right now, guys. It doesn't matter what's making the price drop. Just stay calm. Let the trade come to you. And that's all I'm going to say for the weekend, guys. But this is not looking good. It is not looking good. I'm hoping we bounce here. We do have support here at 40,000. Hopefully this is the end, and we go back up from here. If we go back above the Tankinson and we get our confirmation down here, we'll throw 10% in, or 10% of our whatever comes out to 2%, right, on the trade. We'll risk 2%, see where it goes. If we go above the Kijinsen, we could throw in another 2%, and just work it as it's going up, right? Start filling our position in. Until now, unless you're going short, I'd just stay out of this. But I wouldn't go short down here, guys. We already fell a long way. We're at 40 grand. It's a good chance we're going to bounce from here. But I don't have any confirmation we're bouncing from here. So I'm going to wait and see what the weekend brings. The only coins that KNC is blowing up today, there's no way I would have caught this on my system, right? Not every trade is our trade, right? This is somebody else's trade. Now, had I been watching the 4 hour or something like that, even the 4 hour would have been hard to get into. 6 hour I could have probably caught. 6 hour I could have probably caught, but I don't trade the 6 hour. So that's what I'm saying. That is somebody else's trade, right? We get our trades, they get their trades. Link, I told you to hold on to. It's still doing good. It's one of the very few coins that are, right? There's like, 3, 6, 9 coins that are in the green today. Link and Atom, the two that we held on to, both are in the green today. We're still holding them. If something changes, if we get a links kind of get into the overbought territory, so it could start coming down soon. But right now, it's not telling me to get out, so I'm staying in. Adam's still having me in, so I'm not touching either one of those trades. I am on break even on the rest of my trade on those, so I'm gonna let them go. I do like the way the Kijinsen, Tankinson are both aimed up. The spans are both aimed up. That's a good sign. So we're gonna keep on holding at them until otherwise. But that's it, guys. Have a great weekend, and let's see how things go. Right? Hopefully, Bitcoin turns around from here, and we'll have some trades back on the table, by the end of the week, early next week. All right, stay safe out there, and I will talk to you soon.